Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your career prospects with Intern Abroad HQ step by step clearly. To improve your career prospects with Intern Abroad HQ, start by researching your interests and career goals. Identify the industries and positions that resonate with you. Explore the various internship programs offered by Intern Abroad HQ. Consider the countries and organizations that align with your career aspirations. Review the specific skills and experiences each program can provide. Choose an internship that not only matches your career goals but also allows for personal growth. Prepare your application materials carefully. Craft a tailored resume highlighting relevant skills and experiences. Write a compelling cover letter that explains your motivation for applying. Gather necessary documentation, such as academic transcripts and recommendation letters. Submit your application before the deadline set by Intern Abroad HQ. Once accepted, embrace the opportunity to learn about a new culture. Engage with the local community and build a professional network. Participate actively in the internship, showcasing your commitment and work ethic. Seek feedback regularly from your supervisors to improve your skills. Document your accomplishments and experiences throughout the internship. Upon completion, update your resume and LinkedIn profile with your new skills and experiences. Reflect on your journey and identify how it has influenced your career direction. Utilize your newfound network to explore job opportunities back home. Schedule informational interviews with professionals in your field. Lastly, stay connected with the contacts you made during your internship for ongoing opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.